When you click on download, you will get the installer that suits Windows 11 or Windows 10, which is you're gonna probably click on next, 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 like any normal installer. But this time I will take you to how to download it, the old version from GitHub. The version that suits Windows 10 and Windows 11 from assets, scroll down, and here it is. The version is 2.5.0 Windows EXA, about 249 megabytes. Small size, lightweight, and low system impact. 100% private, works offline, no data collection or server uploads. Free, open source, no hiding faces, no subscription, no need to deal with watermark